In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image in Excel. Linking an image to a website, a file, or even another worksheet is a great way to make your spreadsheets more interactive and easier to navigate. Instead of clicking on plain text, you can let people click on a logo, an icon, or any picture you choose. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to do this confidently on your own. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where you want the clickable image to appear. Make sure you're on the correct sheet and the correct place in your file, because the hyperlink will stay with that specific image and sheet. Next, insert the image you want to use. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, then choose Pictures. From here, you can pick an image from your device, or, in some versions of Excel, from online sources. Once you've selected your image, it will appear on your worksheet. You can click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, and drag the whole image to move it to exactly where you want it. When your image is in place, click once on it so that it's selected. You should see small handles around the edges, which means Excel knows you're working with the picture. With the image selected, you're ready to add the hyperlink. Now, right-click on the image and choose the option that says Link or Hyperlink, depending on your version of Excel. This opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Here is where you decide what you want the image to do when someone clicks on it. If you want the image to open a website, make sure you're in the section that lets you enter a web address. Then type or paste the full URL. If you prefer to link to another file, a specific document, or even another place in this workbook, choose the appropriate option in the dialog box and browse or select the target. Before you finish, double-check that the address or location is correct. When you're ready, click OK. Your image is now hyperlinked. You can test it by moving your mouse over the image and clicking. Excel should immediately take you to the website, file, or sheet you chose. That's all you need to hyperlink an image in Excel. With this, you can make dashboards, reports, and navigation menus that look cleaner and are more intuitive to use.